Hello and welcome to Jobs TV. My name is Matt Cook. I'm a director of a company called Kudos Recruits. Now we have a vacancy in the Stourbridge area and we are looking for somebody who's got a valid forklift counterbalance licence. Pay rate for this is £10.75 an hour and the hours will be Monday to Friday 7 till 3:30. Now when you lead up towards Christmas, as you know we are now, they may expect you to work the odd Saturday and Sunday because those are their peak periods towards Christmas. They do pay an overtime rate. Now if you're interested, please call 01746 768 666 or email me Matt on mcook@kudosrecruits.com. Now just in case you are watching this video and you're looking for various vacancies in the Stourbridge area, please like and subscribe to our channel because we are going to put a lot of our vacancies on video in the local area. So if you are interested and you're looking for work, please get in touch. Either message me on the YouTube channel or contact us on the number that I gave you earlier. Thanks for watching.